host, Christina Dees. We're in the kitchen of Lambert, and he is the son of the owners of Mott's Channel Seafood, Allison and Jean Long. And you're gonna tell us about this great special that you have going on. It's a 4 for $40 special. What does that mean?
Yeah, so with our 4 for $40 special, we're trying to point out the more affordable seafood options that we carry. Seafood can be a little bit expensive, and sure, there will be some that will be more than $40, but this is one recipe in particular that can definitely feed the family for even less than $40.
Yeah, and what I like about this recipe too, it's different.
Yep.
So we're looking at making a shrimp burger today, and you said it's as easy as just buying one bowl of shrimp.
Yeah, so we actually carry these shrimp. They're already peeled and deveined. They're ready to go. So that's one less step that people have to deal with. And from there, we can go ahead and get started. I'll show you how to make one. You want to chop them as fine as you can possibly get. You know, you don't want them too chunky because it just makes it hard to make a patty for sure if they're chunky. So I just suggest to take your time and kind of take each individual shrimp, cut them into fifths or as small as you can get without getting too close to your fingers. Kind of push that off to the side and continue that process.
You have other options. You want to tell us what some of the other things that you carry? I know everything is fresh daily.
Right, yeah, so we'll have a very wide selection of seafood pretty much year-round. The spring and summertime there'll be a few more options for sure, but you know, a lot of the white fish options, there can be as many as 10 or 15 different types you can prepare and use the same for the same dishes. But with the shrimp, we'll have mostly North Carolina shrimp in different sizes, and you can use definitely different options and sizes in the shrimp as well. We got this nice and chopped up, and I like to sprinkle just a little bit of flour down before on the wax paper, just before you start handling the shrimp, and just kind of start making your patty. Just press in, roll in, just like you would a hamburger or anything else like that. Once you start to get it kind of in a ball, you can just start to roll it in the flour. Just like that. Do that a couple of times, and then press it. Keep rolling. Continue that process probably 2 or 3 times. Nothing, like I said.
Right, until it feels like
it's going to hold together. That's all. That's all you got to do.
So your mom's been over there prepping these sweet potato fries for us. Super simple, right? You just take a sweet potato, you cut it up.
Yep, just peel it and then just cut it into fry lengths, and just a little bit of olive oil, salt, and pepper in the oven at 400 degrees for 20 minutes or so. Looks like our pan is ready. We're just going to take this like this, lay it directly in the center of the pan. You'll hear the sear, and we're looking for like a nice brown on each side, probably 2 to 3 minutes per side, not too long.
You don't want to walk away from it.
Not necessarily, no. You definitely don't want to walk away. But yeah, we're just on a medium heat here, just not too hot. You know, take your time. You don't want to burn it. All right, looks like our shrimp burger's about done.
Looks beautiful. All right, so we're going to cut over here to Mom. Mom is making for us an Asian slaw.
Yep, just a bagged Asian slaw. We add a little bit of the dressing that comes with it. Not too much. You don't want to use the whole pack and get it soggy or anything, but just a little bit to add that little bit of flavor. And yeah, just mix it in, and we're going to use that on our shrimp burger. And just to finish it off, just going to add a little bit more of this aioli.
Aioli that you can get at Mott's Channel Seafood.
Sure can.
Shrimp you can get at Mott's Channel Seafood. The recipes you can get at Mott's Channel Seafood. The 4 for $40. Check them out, Mott's Channel Seafood, Wrightsville Beach. We'll see you next time on The Culinary Way.